they'll look for you, and if they don't find you, then they will.
Our fear is they're just going to make regulations that make it more and more difficult for people to own a gun and be able to protect themselves, which not only hurts us from a business standpoint, but is an infringement upon our constitutional rights, and it's a reduction in people's ability to be able to protect themselves.
Shows like this one for decades, and even before the new rules have been announced, she believes the US government is trying to infringe on gun rights and shut down her business.
I mean, the criminals are always just going to get the guns. They're not going to go through the steps, and they're already breaking all these laws. They're not going to jump through all the hoops. Just the law-abiding citizens.
I just want one.
1903. You want to have one carbine?
Yeah, I saw the carbine.
What is that? It's kind of self-lubricating. Make sure when you do your double-handed grip,